Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to use keyframes in CapCut PC. Alright, let's begin. So this is going to be a very easy one. You just need to follow the steps that I'll be showing you how to utilize the keyframes on CapCut. So the first thing that you want to do here is you want to open up the CapCut application. Here you want to create a new project. And here we want to add or import our assets that we want to edit. So let's just find an asset that we can actually use for this one. So I'm just going to go to my folder here and drag in a video. So here we have our assets. We now want to add this video here into our timeline. So when you actually click on your timeline here, you won't be able to see the edit or settings to actually edit your video here or add effects for it. So here you just want to click on the video itself. And from here you'll be able to see the video speed animation adjustments. And as well as the settings here that you could actually adjust. So by default we could actually edit this video here. Like if you want to change the scale for this one, you can basically just scale it here. So that's the usual way or the default way of interacting with the settings here on CapCut. So if you notice, there's like this diamond icon that you see at the right side of your settings here. Well, this is actually the keyframes. So by default or by definition, keyframes are actually events that are actually happening in our timeline right now. So if you see a keyframe here on your timeline, that's mean there's something or supposedly something should happen in that specific keyframe. So let's go ahead and add our keyframe here. So for you to add a keyframe, just click on the keyframe icon here that says add keyframe. And from here, you will be able to add your keyframes. So as you can see, I just click on it and a keyframe appeared here. So when we actually adjust this one, like for example here, it's going to automatically add or edit that keyframe there. So now if we have multiple keyframes there, it's going to actually interact with each other with the video changing in our scene here. So let's go ahead and increase this one to a certain range. And when we actually play our video, you'll see the changes happening real time on our video. So that's how you basically use keyframes here. So that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.